Hey y'all, my name is Nikki. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of the Carolinas. Let me show y'all a few things that I'm really loving in my makeup kit right now. Okay, so first up is this Danessa Myricks Beauty Luxe Cream Palette. I love her palettes because she literally makes everything multi-use. So this can be used. All right, so this is another Danessa Myricks product. I love her foundations. As you can see, we're getting some use. I'm also loving these lately. These are just disposable hand palettes. Of course, I do use the other ones. These just make for easier cleanup. I like to put these on my hand, for foundation, lipstick, lip gloss, whatever. But I really like these. They help with less mess too, so yeah. This is something else that's newly added to my kit, actually. The Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I love it. It makes the makeup. And then next up is this brush cleaner. It's actually the lemon scent that's new. I saw this on Amazon and I was like, when did they get this? And it actually smells better than the original scent. I feel like the original scent smells like rubbing alcohol, but this one smells fresh and clean. So yeah, we love Cinema Secrets.